Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, not a whole lot to be said from the general chart perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched past videos. But if you watched past videos, you know I've been talking about this sideways channel pattern that's been taking place. And we had another day where, don't get me wrong, I mean, there is movement that happened today. There is eventful stuff that happened today, but not really enough to say that anything major happened. Meaning, it's not like the price came up to the top of the channel and then, busted up through. And on the flip side, it's not like the bear showed up and pressed it down and the price busted down through the bottom portion of the channel. So from, like I said, the broad perspective, nothing has changed. The price is still stuck between the channel. Now, if you haven't watched any of the past videos, then as far as the channel is concerned, the bottom of the channel support area down there around 2080. Top of the channel resistance right up there around 2250. So those are the two primary levels. But what I'm curious about, and this is just, like I said, more of a curiosity point, is this, there has been some selling pressure that's shown up within the channel itself. So I'm actually going to make this stand out a little bit more. And that downward selling pressure is via the trend line right here, which you can see does have a downward slope to it. And the reason why it has a downward slope is because these highs just keep getting lower and lower. Now, that does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is getting ready to go back down. No such thing as a guarantee. I'm just wondering, like I said, and I'm just talking out loud and wondering out loud, hey, is this the start of something bigger from the sellers? Or maybe this just is, a faulty movement that doesn't really mean anything. So, like I said, just because you can draw a downtrending trend line doesn't mean that for sure guaranteed the price is about to drop. I'm just saying that it suggests that, maybe there is some selling pressure that's slowly kind of showing back up, or, it potentially doesn't, but it's something that needs to be monitored, right? You want to monitor it just to make sure that it doesn't spin out of control. So just keep an eye on that. But I mean, if the price goes up there and blasts through that trend line, well, then at that point, the worry of selling pressure, is basically eliminated at that point. But the week is young, still 4 days left. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.